chamber and incorporate the drug mix gently. Regulate flow rate of IVS infusion accordingly. Place IV label on volumetric chamber indicating drug incorporated and flow rate. Reassure, monitor patient when incorporated medicine is consumed. Plump airway of volumetric chamber, add IVF, and regulate flow rate of main IVF as prescribed. Discard waste according to healthcare waste management. Document in the patient chart the administered drug, and then document in the patient chart the IVF sheet and target for any changes of time and weight. Next, medication food.